Well, in Uganda, nothing new surprises the masses or the people, because unless you are dumb, then you don't know what your country is all about and who is leading your country. The point is, many people are wondering, Museveni used to be diplomatic, but the diplomacy is fading away. And now the biggest question that people are having is the president still the one in control, or some other secret people have taken over the control of the Ugandans' affair? Like the military, there has been going issues of JATT, that is a Joint Anti-Terrorism Task Force. Ugandans love this language, task force. They don't get bored of that term. Ever since I heard it in coronavirus, task force, task force, task force. Anyway, to get on to the real issue, Dr. Odonga has decried the activities by the JATT. Odonga, I am beginning to think we headed as a country to get back to the multi-party system of governance. The same scenes in Obore 1 and 2 that took Kagota Museveni to the bush are glaringly repeating. Probably the movement individual merit system of governance was hurriedly exited. Now, Muhoozi has also had some comment on the same thing. Muhoozi, in a reply to a post by Daily Monitor on their front page, Daily Monitor made their front page for today with a title that "Who are they?" and then the underlying text, "Masking terror." The emergence of masked personnel of the Joint Anti-Terrorism Task Force who brutalized civilians on Monday has shone a light on the increasing culture of having security operatives masked up during operations. Who are they? What is their motivation and what do they fear? So a quick response from Muhoozi, and very brief. He said, who are they? They are Ugandan security and they are doing a great job. So Muhoozi has clearly said they are doing a great job. And then afterwards, Muhoozi posted in a mother tongue, in a local language, used the language of Kizza Besigye, the local language of Dr. Kizza Besigye, who is in prison. That is Chiga language. He said, for me, don't bother about the pronunciation, but I will pronounce the way it is supposed to be read, not the right pronunciation. He said, Okutera abashuru tutukatandikire nibeja kurira, which loosely translates to shooting the bats before we start, I'm going to cry. So that is in Chiga language. Chiga language is the Bachiga language, Ruchiga, Muchiga, Bachiga. I think they majorly come from the areas of Rukungiri. So Chiga language, also known as Kiga or Ruchiga, is a Bantu language spoken primarily in the southwestern region of Uganda by the Chiga or the Bachiga, and is considered a Great Lakes Bantu language. It is part of the Niger-Congo language family and is often referred to as Chiga as well, without H. So this is it, very serious one. And also, Odonga, still on matters related to Uganda security, I said with the Public Order Amendment, with the Public Order Management Act, a bad law prohibiting processions as we head to 2026 presidential elections, I see state-engineered violence I see death. I see impunity. I see a one-man show. I see Kagwata Museveni winning with over 65%. We just need term limits. Dodoth is crying for the return of term limit. Thank you.